You may be surprised to know what you think is appropriate to use it on your face, but just are not. Today, I'm going to reveal you those items and help you to help your face stay far, far, far away from it. Hi there, my name is Bhavya and I'm taking you all on an aircraft ride today. To help you, to make you aware of the airports where landing is very risky for your skin's health. So folks, fasten your seat belts and let's take off. First airport where we should not land is body lotion. Yes folks, please do not apply body lotion on your face. The reason is this. Let me show you how. Imagine this is the outermost layer of our face. See friends, this layer is very thin and it's very delicate. And when you compare it with the outermost layer of the body, see, this is thick. And you know friends, most of the body lotions are formulated for thicker skin. I know some of the people out there must be saying, but body lotions are working fine on my face. I must say you are lucky, but trust me friends, in the long run, your skin will start facing problems like irritations, breakouts. And these lotions contains ingredients that could be very heavy to your facial skin. Next airport where landing is risky is baking soda. The trend of using baking soda as a skin ingredient, especially as a facial exfoliant, is becoming very popular in recent times. However, there are concerns about its safety. Allow me to make you understand with a simple depiction. This is the pH scale. Acidic, basic and neutral. 0, 14, the neutral is 7. You know friends, our skin's pH is somewhere between 4 or 5. This is the range for our skin's pH. And we are talking about baking soda. You know, baking soda is highly alkaline. Its pH value is 9. So, you know, there is a reason why our skin's pH is around 4 to 5. This makes unfavorable conditions for some of the bacteria to grow on it. And when we use baking soda, when our skin's pH shifts from acidic to basic, then this creates an imbalance. And it also creates favorable conditions for bacteria to grow. And these also leads to other skin problems like allergic reactions. So it's better to avoid using baking soda for your face. Moving on to our next airport, that is bar soaps. Yes friends, bar soaps. Never put bar soaps on your face. I know friends how convenient it is to apply bar soaps on your face while you are bathing, but that's not a good practice. You should not put bar soaps on your face for 3 main reasons. Number 1, bar soaps often contain harsh ingredients that strip natural oils from your face that leads to dryness and tightness of the skin. Number 2, bar soap contains pore clogging ingredients that leads to acne breakouts. And the last reason is because it also imbalances the pH of our skin, because most of the bar soaps are alkaline in nature. Next risky airport to land is vinegar. Vinegar can be too harsh on your skin and can cause chemical burns and irritations. You know friends, frequent use of vinegar can cause sensitivity over time. The next airport is toner. Most of the toners are loaded with alcohol. Can you imagine friends rubbing alcohol on your face? You know it triggers our skin to produce more oil as a compensatory mechanism to replenish the lost moisture. Next dangerous airport to land is petroleum jelly. Applying petroleum jelly to the face creates a suffocating effect. It inhibits the skin's ability to breathe and regulate moisture. So friends, using petroleum jelly on your face is a big no. Next airport is toothpaste. Certain toothpaste formulations may contain abrasive ingredients in order to pluck out the stuck items in your teeth. And when you apply the same for your skin or pimples, it has some serious negative consequences. You know friends, when you are putting toothpaste on your pimples or skin, it can cause discoloration and staining of your skin, particularly if left on for extended period. So just stay away from application of toothpaste on your face. Now coming on our final destination, that is putting your lipstick as blush on your face. Lipstick formulations are primarily designed to put it on your lips, which have different skin characteristics compared to the cheeks. Lipsticks may contain wax, oils, pigments, and preservatives, which are safe to be applied on our lips, but not suitable for our cheeks. These ingredients can potentially lead to pore cloggings, skin irritations, and sometimes allergic reactions can also occur. Friends, if you want DIY solutions to all those items which I have revealed today, then you just have to do a thing. Just go on posting in my comment section, yes. And I'm promising you, if I get 30 yes in my comments, then I will be making a video with the DIY solutions to each of the things which I mentioned today. So these were the items we have to avoid putting on our face. So friends, I hope you find this video helpful. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. And if you are already there, then please like, share and comment. On this note, I am signing off. I hope you will all take very good care of yourselves. Keep watching my videos and stay radiant. Today, let me take you in the embrace of our Mother Nature, where we will explore yoga for healthy sculpted cheekbones. Are you excited? Namaste, friends. Let's kick off with the first yoga move. Inhale deeply and puff your cheeks. Now, using 3 fingers, gently close your mouth while keeping your cheeks puffed and start transferring the air from one cheek to the other. Inhale as you move the air into one cheek and exhale as you transfer it to the other. Continue this for 1 minute. This exercise helps to tone the cheek muscles. By doing this around the mouth area, you will feel a sense of firmness and warmth. Alright, let's move on to the second one. From both hands, make a tight fist like this. Now, allow your face to gently fall onto your fist at intervals of 3 seconds. Continue this for 1 minute. This exercise helps to release tension in the facial muscles. Keep doing it for the good results. Now the third one. Start with a few seconds of inhalation and exhalation to relax. Once you are ready, puff your cheeks by inhaling air, then hold your breath for as long as possible. Now using your fingertips, exert gentle pressure on your cheeks at 3 points like this. Then exhale and relax. You can continue this for 1 minute. This will enhance muscle endurance. See how simple it is. Moving to the next one. Tuck your lips inside your mouth and lift your cheeks upwards. Hold this position for a few seconds. Then relax. Continue this for 1 minute. This exercise helps to lift the cheek muscles, which can contribute to a more toned appearance while also improving the elasticity of your skin. Friends, consistency is the key, so keep practicing it regularly. For the next one, make a fist with both hands, keeping the knuckles facing outwards. Place this area on your cheeks, positioning them under your cheekbones, making sure they stay beneath the bones only. Now gently shake your fist like this. Duration is 1 minute, and this will energize the cheek muscles, promoting improved blood flow and a refreshed appearance. For the sixth exercise, we will be using a little oil to make the movements smoother. Take a small amount of oil rub it between your palms to warm it up. Apply it to your face in these steps as shown. You can use any oil that's suitable for your skin. Now ignore my goofy face here, just having a little fun. Let's move on. Curve your index fingers and glide them with gentle pressure along the cheekbones. But do remember to apply the pressure from this area. Now let's begin and continue this for 1 minute. This exercise will give your cheekbones a sculpted look while also increasing the blood circulation of the area. Now make fist and massage your cheeks upwards with some pressure. Make sure you are applying enough pressure to stimulate the muscles without discomfort. This helps to lift and firm the cheek area, promoting muscle toning and improving skin elasticity for a more defined look. Duration 1 minute. Using 2 fingers of each hand, tap and shake along the cheekbones. This will instantly boost blood circulation, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and energized. Duration 1 minute. Using your index finger and thumb, apply gentle pressure starting from the lower cheek and moving upward to the upper cheek. This helps to stimulate blood flow, reduce tension and promote a natural lift in the cheek area. Continue this for 2 minutes. For the next exercise, take oil and rub it between your palms. Put some oil on the fingertips also. And start massaging diagonally on the cheekbones. Duration 1 minute on each side. Take a little more oil. Oh wait, there's a flying buddy. Make sure to apply the oil nicely in between the areas of thumb and index finger. Now using both hands, massage your entire cheek like this. This will suddenly reduce the puffiness and extra bloating on the cheeks. This exercise also boosts collagen production. Duration for this exercise ranges from 3 to 5 minutes. Now, apply little oil on the fingertips and massage the temple area for a good 4 minutes. Massaging this area has n number of benefits, from relieving tension of the muscles to promoting relaxing effect, which overall contribute to enhance our facial health. Now, that's all for today. Please remember to massage the extra oil on your face. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Take care and stay radiant.